Hey, Joe here. I was working on putting together a lightweight rear brake setup for the race car. I asked around, some people told me what parts they were using. There wasn't really a kit available. So the parts aren't a big deal. The tough part is finding a caliper bracket so that the parts fit on the car. There wasn't one available. So I bought the parts that I researched and found would fit pretty well, and I was going to make my own bracket. The problem is, here in my own home garage, it's not a machine shop. I don't have a CNC, machine or anything like that to make this stuff with. So it was going to be something that probably wasn't going to be a very nice piece. And I really don't want to put anything on this car that's not nice. So I came across Warren from Antilag Racing posting some pictures of a brake kit he was putting together. It was for an all-wheel drive car. But he thought it might fit the front wheel drive, so he sent it over to me. We're going to stick it on here. It has a beautiful 7075 aluminum CNC caliper bracket, and if it fits here on this car, then I'm going to go with that setup with the rotor and hat that he supplied, which is a little different than mine, and I'm going to go with his setup here. And then I'm going to get rid of the parts for the other setup and move on from there. These are the parts that I purchased in order to put this kit together. You're going to see that Warren's parts are slightly different, and his caliper bracket will hopefully bolt up right here and everything will be fine. Here you can see my parts compared to Warren's parts. The main difference is that my hat is deeper than Warren's. That's why I couldn't just buy his bracket from Antilag Racing and go with that. It wouldn't locate the caliper properly. So, we're going to try his parts. Not really sure. Here I have Warren's caliper for his setup, and here's his bracket. Nice socket head screws hold this together. Looks real nice. Okay, so we're going to take this bracket caliper and stick it on here, make sure it fits okay. It goes there on the front side of the tabs on the car. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
There we go. That's better. Oh, I'm not holding this on either. So the next thing would be to check the wheel fitment and make sure that the wheel clears the caliper here. Just snugged up a bit and make sure this all works. It looks like my wheels interfere here slightly, very slightly. You can see that that little point just above the W just touches my wheel. So I got it loosened up right now so I can see the difference if I tighten this up. There's just enough interference there on those corners. It looks like it's both of them that I can't move the wheel. So I think what I'll probably do is clearance the caliper, because that will just take a few seconds. Whereas trying to clearance the wheel probably means a trip to the machine shop. So there you have it, Antilag Racing's caliper bracket with these Willwood parts. You know, different wheels, different clearances. It's tough to test every single wheel. In my case, it's just a very slight modification I need to do to make this fit. Keep an eye out for more videos about Pro Street Eclipse. There's a lot coming up in the near future. It's going to be very exciting. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so that you don't miss any of the action. And I'll see you next time.
Put cheese on it.